Batch processing can be time-consuming and challenging when you're trying to manage job scheduling and provision the optimal compute capacity to process your jobs. Not to mention costly if you over-provision your compute environment. AWS Batch takes away these difficulties by handling your job's life cycles and compute resource provisioning. All you need to do is specify the basic resource parameters such as GPU, CPU, and memory requirements, and AWS Batch does the rest. AWS Batch with Fargate resources allows you to have a completely serverless architecture for your batch jobs. With Fargate, every job receives the exact amount of CPU and memory that it requests. For additional control and scale, you can also use EC2 or EC2 spot instances, which Batch provisions and manages for you. Whether using EC2 or Fargate, you can significantly lower the cost of your batch processing workflow, allowing for high-priority compute cycles while also economizing on lower-priority operations. Whether your workload is a deep learning network, a massively parallel ETL job, or a tightly coupled HPC application, AWS Batch helps you plan, schedule, and execute across the full range of AWS compute services and features. Save time and money by having AWS Batch manage your job life cycles and compute environments today.